Welcome to AI Boater, Artificial Intelligence for Boat Brokers. AI Boater is an artificial intelligence assistant that will do a wide range of different things for you, like write your boat classified ads. It will write the best imaginable, fully optimized classified ad for the boats you sell based off just a minimum amount of text. AI Boater is your marketing assistant. It will take you through a customized marketing campaign for each listing based on the details of it. Everything you need to generate maximum exposure to potential buyers. It will write blog posts and articles for you. You can import them into your existing blog. It will increase your relevancy and rankings for your business on Google Maps. You will have an unlimited amount of content to post to your social media profiles to generate more subscribers and followers. AI Boater will also take you step by step, showing you how to create professional videos for each one of your listings in under 5 minutes. Videos will increase the rankings of your classified ad on sites like boats.com. You can post them to your TikTok and YouTube channel, and you can also use them to run low-cost advertising campaigns. Creating in-depth classified listings that will sell any boat could not be easier. Just enter in some basic text for the description. It can be as little as a couple of sentences. Include your seller information and some of the specifications for the boat. Within 5 minutes, your AI will completely transform your classified listing from this to this, complete with an SEO title tag and meta description and an amazingly in-depth, detailed boat classified ad description. Just some of the countless number of benefits in having your AI write your descriptions are a boost in organic search rankings. Your AI has been trained on latent schematic indexing for title tags, meta descriptions, alt tags, and many other SEO factors. Dominate listing websites. Your fully optimized listings will rank much higher on sites like boats.com. Increase social media engagement. Convert more buyers with compelling descriptions designed to captivate them. Generate more inquiries with listings that spark interest in potential boat buyers. We can completely customize your AI to include any information that you want. Now that you have your fully optimized listing, it is time to market it to the world. Your AI marketing assistant will take you through a customized marketing plan for each one of your listings based off of its details like location, boat type, and features. These marketing plans have been designed by professionals that have over 15 years of experience and integrates the entire world's knowledge on digital marketing through our AI algorithm. At any time, you can ask your AI assistant digital marketing questions or ask for different strategies. Your AI assistant has been trained on the world's data about digital marketing and will give you everything you need to be successful. Your assistant will also give you a personalized social media strategy. It will create the posts for social media that will generate maximum engagement. Your AI assistant is continuously learning and improving based off of your data, your listings, and your success. Your AI assistant will also give you suggestions for social media influencers and low-cost services like classified ad posting. These are just some of the many features, and we're rolling out more every day. In addition to writing your listings and being your marketing assistant, your AI can also create incredible blog posts for any topic that drives traffic and new customers to your business website. You can create unlimited content to post to your Google My Business profile and social media accounts, increasing local and national rankings, as well as engagement on social media. You can easily import these created posts into your existing blog with a click of a button. Your AI uses cutting-edge language models to create engaging, high-quality blog content tailored to your target audience's interests and your brand's voice. Your AI is trained on the latest SEO algorithm methodologies like latent schematic indexing, ensuring each blog post is keyword-rich, well-structured, and optimized for organic search visibility. You will save thousands of dollars per month on content creation. You will have unlimited content to post to social media, which will help you rapidly increase your business's engagement, subscribers, and followers. We have put massive amounts of resources into our AI algorithms to ensure that all content passes detector filters. Simply input your topic into the create a post form, and in less than 5 minutes, you have an incredible blog post that looks like this. With your AI blogger, the sky is the limit when it comes to content creation. Now, if all of that wasn't enough, your AI marketing assistant will also walk you through the steps to use artificial intelligence to create incredible videos for your listings in under 5 minutes. These videos will improve virtually every aspect of the success of your listing, including organic traffic, conversion rates, interested buyers, rankings on listing sites, and more. You can post these videos to your YouTube channel, social media profiles to increase engagement, subscribers, and interested buyers. Your AI video creator leverages the most sophisticated algorithms on the planet to create compelling, high-quality videos tailored to your classified listing. Videos will help you make the sale seamlessly. You will be able to prime your buyers with all the features and beauty of your boats with a short and informative video. As mentioned, videos will help improve the rankings of your classified on sites like boats.com. You will save thousands of dollars per month in video creation. It takes little to no time. There is no need for things like voiceovers or editing. Everything can be done in less than 5 minutes. Post these videos to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more to generate new subscribers, followers, and interested buyers. Here's an example video that was created in under 5 minutes.
The 2007 Bayliner 300 Cruiser is a fantastic option for those who want all the features of a larger yacht while still remaining affordable. Another standout feature of the Bayliner 300 Cruisers is its impressive range of amenities, including a fully equipped galley, a head that comes complete with a shower, and ample sleeping space for up to 6 people. Overall, the 31 feet 2007 Bayliner 300 Cruisers is the ideal.
This video is 1 minute and 30 seconds long and goes through every single feature of the boat. AI Boater has absolutely everything you need to create your listings, market them to the world, generate new customers, subscribers, and followers, and generate amazing content on autopilot. We are rolling out new features every day, and we look forward to taking your brokerage to the next level.